Good morning. Today I thought we'd play on the arcade machine. Let's fire that up. Secret button on the top. I think we're gonna play Golden Tee Golf 1997. It's probably the oldest Golden Tee I have. Or maybe Golden Tee Classic. I'm not sure. Either way, people think I cheat because I know all the moves, but as you can see here, I've now pasted them for everybody to know, as well as up here. Apparently reading is hard. I still have to explain to all my friends what the moves are. It's kind of ridiculous. Anyway, let's take a look. Need a little more volume than that. Try 14. That's pretty good. We'll just play a couple of holes. There you go. Play 6 holes. And we'll just do Pine Creek. So, I've already got the driver. The map looks good. There's trees right ahead, so I'm going to do this move where we kind of curve around the trees a little bit. Too much. Too much!
Chainsaw.
Get the chainsaw. I think I might be able to shoot through the branches of this tree, but it looks like there might be another one right in front. Let's find out. Nice, right in the water. Oh, that's wet. So you see I got the wind against me, and it's estimating I'll land just on the other side of the hole. But I'm going to do this and hope that the forward rolling will get it closer.
He's on the green.
I'm on the green.
Golf for one, trying for bogey.
Shh. Oh.
Golf for one, trying for
It always says that you've made it to the leaderboard.
golf for one on tee.
Ooh, I curved that into the water. Pro. Oh, breaking my club. Now, see how I'm not quite on the green? So it's defaulted me to a sand wedge, and I'm only 18 yards to the pin. This looks a whole lot more than 18 yards. It's like 52 feet. 54 feet. But I'm just going to pull back a little bit.
Golf for one, trying for bogey.
There are trees in my way. I'm real happy with that shot. So maybe I can just hop the water. That would be cute. Or not. Break another club. There we go. Pro tip for short shots, swing softer. I'm going to try to do a long putt.
Golf for one.
This is not the best game I've ever played. I'm a little rusty because I just don't have people visiting as much as I would like. Now that sounded like it was bad, but I'm on the fairway and I'm not in the trees, so not a bad shot. Not a bad shot at all. Keep curving to the right though. Oh, touched a tree. Oh shit. Oh shit indeed.
Hit the chainsaw.
Hey, I'm on the green, sir. We'll go another putt.
Golfer 1 to this. Hit the chainsaw.
Hey, that was a good shot. Don't need no stinking chainsaw. Mm-hmm. I like it.
Golfer 1 trying for birdie.
So I'm right on the line. Half the time it will default you to a wedge. This is a hella slope. And I overcompensated for it.
Golfer 1 trying for par.
Trying for par.
Golfer 1
Pine
on
Creek.
tee.
What? I've never gotten a hole in one.
Trying for birdie.
But hole 6 on Pine Creek. I think I could do it.
Golfer 1 trying for birdie.
Maybe I'll load some save states. That is the gist of Golden Tee Golf. Let's get that music happening. That is the gist of Golden Tee Golf. I've got Golden Tee 97 to 2000. I've got Golden Tee 3D Golf. I think that's actually the oldest one. And Golden Tee Classic, which I think is just a compilation of the best holes. Anyway, one of my favorites, a lot of fun. It's getting harder and harder to find this game out in the wild. But let's talk about the arcade machine itself now. There you go. So on my machine, there is like 5.5 inches from the top of the ball to the plate. So I shoot sideways. Hoya! A real Golden Tee Golf machine, the ball's like down here and you've got room to Superman it. And a lot of people do that on my machine. Don't know if you can see all the scratches in the brass. I was very sad when my wife of the time did that and then her fingernail exploded and she bled all over the damn thing. But there is a lot of gouges because, try as I might, people still want to play it the real way. And also yell at me for not building it, you know, so you could do that. But also, my machine, go build your own. It is 23.5 inches deep. A real arcade machine is closer to 3 feet, maybe even 4 for the bigger ones. A Golden Tee machine is probably 5 feet because often the ball is like way the hell out here. And then, you know, with a CRT television, or I guess it would be a monitor, not a television, you know, the screen needs space. And anyway, I'm happy with it. And isn't that all that matters?